friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Fisher and paykel dishwasher. It's a single drawer dishwasher. My customer's complaint was that the dishwasher would fill with water every couple of days, and I'll show you what needs to be done here. So here's the dishwasher. When the dishwasher fills with water, there's two reasons. One, the water is coming from the sink. If the dishwasher is not installed properly, if the dishwasher drain hose is not installed properly, you will get water coming back to the dishwasher. And if the dishwasher is installed properly, there's only one reason that the dishwasher would fill with water every couple of days. The water valve will be the problem. The solenoid valve could be the problem. I checked the installation of the dishwasher. It was perfectly fine. So I ordered this part and I'm replacing it today, and I'll show you how to do this. In order to replace the solenoid valve, we need to unplug the dishwasher or turn it off from the breaker to be safe. Also turn off the water, which is located right there. You can't see it on the camera, but it's there. You see that on the left hand side, and you need to turn it off. Once it's off, you can work on your dishwasher. I got two blankets here, one for the floor, the another one is for this bottom drawer. To make sure I don't scratch the cabinets here, I need to put this blanket and close it, and at the same time I got this blanket. In order to take the dishwasher out, on both sides of the dishwasher, on the left and right, we got these clips. You press on it and then push it to the back. You can do the same thing on the other side. And now you can pull the dishwasher from its top and lift it up and bring it down and let it sit like this. You can also push it a little bit to the side. Once your dishwasher sits like this, if you can also put this dishwasher on top of the counter. I wouldn't put it there, just to make sure I don't get any scratches there. It's easier here. Sometimes you can also vacuum your water. When you tell the dishwasher you will get some water, you can also vacuum it if you're scared that you're gonna spill some water. So I got these two small flashlights that I'm gonna use here for lighting. In order to pull this cover out, there's clips on the left hand side and on the front. You may want to press it with a flat screwdriver. You can also press it from here. This plastic cover comes out. You can put it inside of the dishwasher too if you want. The water solenoid valve is located here. We may also need a small towel because when I open this, it may leak a little bit water. So you can lift this up. To make your job easier, you can always disconnect this rod. Now we got enough space to insert two hands here and work on it. You lift it up. The wire, in order to disconnect the wire, you need the smallest flat screwdriver. Push it right here and then pull this wire out. The towel I'm gonna add here, or put it here to cover this control board. This control board, you need to cover it just to make sure we don't spill any water on it. You need a channel lock to open the hose from here. Once you open it a little bit, you can use your hand to open it. I got just a little bit of water spillage. Drain it with another part of the towel to make sure you don't drop any water on the control board. And now we got this part. So this clip stays a little bit open like this, and then after that you can insert a new one. So it looks that the hose was also seized here, and that's why you couldn't open it easily. You need to cut this area clean, and then we insert it back into the new solenoid valve. So first you will insert this clamp inside. And if you feel it's not open enough, you can always open this clamp more. Hold it in your hand and so this clamp, you can open it fully like this. Insert it. Once you know the hose is inserted properly here, and then you can bring your clamp in. Open it. And then to make sure the clamp is tight, you can always use your plier to pinch it back in. Okay, looks good. So the water is back on. It's not leaking, everything seems okay. There's a channel that this water valve, the solenoid goes between it. If you look at the solenoid valve, this opening, this goes in that gray plastic, and it kind of sits like this. And if it's not sitting properly, your water valve will not sit normal, and then you're gonna have issues. Double check with a flashlight to make sure you do not get any water drops. Everything, once you know everything seems okay, you can put your cover back in. And if your water valve is staying a little bit up like this, it's okay, don't worry, it's normal. You can put your cover back in and everything is gonna be okay. You also want to make sure that this main the water line that goes into the dishwasher from the solenoid valve is not pinched in. Okay, the dishwasher is running for a couple of minutes right now. I'm gonna run it for a couple of minutes to make sure everything is working without any leakage, and then it will be fixed. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below on my YouTube channel on videos. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm running the dishwasher for a couple of minutes already. Everything seems okay. For your own safety and the customer house safety, you always advise your customer to keep eye on the dishwasher for the first couple of cycles they're using it, in case if there is any water leakage. If there is any water leakage, you want to make sure, this is very important, tell your customer where the water shut-off valve is, in case if the water leaks, the customer can turn it off and then call you back again. So some customers, they don't know where the water shut-off valve is, and they don't know how to turn it on and off. So if you teach your customers these stuff, you're always on the safe side.